I started my morning by waking up like really early and getting ready quickly, and then I head straight to the tube, which is pretty close to my student accommodation. The morning commute was really busy, with people rushing to work and school. I walked through the station, tapped it in, waited for the train, and finally arrived at the LSE. It actually took me a long time getting there, but once I got to the campus, I grabbed a coffee at Pratt and waked myself up before my first class. The first one I got is AN 288. In class, our discussion focused on the North's unique political system and their kingship structure. After that, I went straight to my second one. It's about putting our knowledge into practice and produce our own ethnography. That was all the classes for me today, and when I finished, I had lunch at the library and I went straight to shopping at Muji for some new bowls and kitchenware. I went back to the library to do some readings on my GV and catch up on work. Later in the afternoon, I had a meeting with LSE careers. We're discussing a collaboration on a Future Society event that I have participated in at CISA, so it's Chinese Student and Scholar Association. After that, I head straight to our society meeting. It was pretty fun though. At this point of the day, all of my to-do list has been completed, so I stormed to the bus station because I have plans for the night. My friends are coming to my student accommodation to cook together and also to celebrate the upcoming Chinese New Year by making dumplings together. We prepared all the ingredients together, minced all the stuff up, and then we started making dumplings, which was like so fun. This was the final output and it looks absolutely delicious. To be honest, we usually only see our parents cook for us. It feels differently to cook for ourselves. It was indeed a warm and comforting moment and a perfect way to end my busy Tuesday. So thank you very much for spending the day with me, and I'll see you in the next one.